this video, we'll be talking about prompting using what we like to call the RCE model. AI tools like Gemini can be powerful partners for teachers, helping us brainstorm lesson ideas, create rubrics, or even draft parent communications. But the real magic happens when we know how to prompt effectively. That's where our RCE model comes in. RCE stands for Role, Context, and Expectations. Let's break it down. First, role. Think of this as telling Gemini who it should be in the conversation. Instead of just saying, "Give me a lesson plan," try this. Act as a 5th grade science teacher designing an engaging hands-on lesson about ecosystems. By giving Gemini a specific role, you shape its tone, level, and focus, making the responses much more relevant for your classroom. Next, context. This is where you give Gemini the background information it needs to do the job well. Include details like your grade level, subject area, and what you do or don't want. For example, you're creating this lesson for a 45-minute middle school science class. Focus on inquiry and avoid lengthy lectures. Clear context means clear results. Finally, expectations. Be specific about what you want Gemini to produce. Do you want an outline, a script, a bulleted list of activities? For instance, provide a 3-part lesson outline with a warm-up, main activity, and assessment ideas. Setting expectations gives Gemini a target and helps you get usable results faster. So when you combine role, context, and expectations, you get more focused, personalized, and classroom-ready responses for Gemini. Whether you're lesson planning, differentiating, instruction, or crafting assessments, RCE makes AI your teaching partner, not just a tool. Try using the RCE model in your next Gemini chat and notice the difference. Better prompts mean better support for your students, and that's what it's all about. Stay tuned. In our next video, we'll explore Gemini Gems, a powerful way to save and reuse your favorite prompts to make AI work even faster for you. You won't want to miss it.